How to create a SoundCloud account in under 2 minutes. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a SoundCloud account in 2 minutes. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first steps first, head over to SoundCloud's website, that is soundcloud.com. And after you head over there, you will see an option on the top right corner to create an account. Tap on create account, and after you tap on create account, you'll get logged in here. You'll get this pop-up where you can type in your email. Tap on continue, and here you will just have to type in your password. So since this account already has a SoundCloud account, I'll just use another one, and I'll tap on continue. Now choose a password. So I'll just choose a really easy password and tap on continue. Now choose your age. I'll just choose my age and then your gender. Tap on continue, and after doing that, it will verify the device. You might even get sent you know email on your inbox. So I'll just head over to my inbox. So after you're on your inbox, just you know type in the verification code that you get from SoundCloud. There we go. So there is this email on my here. I'll just tap on confirm your email, and it will take you to another page. And there you go, you've just logged in and you've just created your first SoundCloud account. And that's basically all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.